Rose petals are often used for their pleasant fragrance and beauty, but they also offer potential health benefits when consumed. Here are some of the health benefits of eating rose petals. Antioxidant properties. Rose petals contain antioxidants that can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which may contribute to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Rose petals contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and skin irritations. Digestive health. Rose petals contain natural oils that can help stimulate bile production and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which can be beneficial for digestive health. Immune system support. Rose petals contain vitamin C and other antioxidants that can help boost the immune system, protecting the body from infections and diseases. Skin health. Rose petals contain natural oils and antioxidants that can help moisturize and protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Eating rose petals may also help improve skin conditions such as acne and rosacea. Respiratory health. Rose petals may help alleviate respiratory problems such as coughs, colds, and bronchitis due to their anti-inflammatory properties. It's important to note that while consuming rose petals is generally considered safe, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding any new food or supplement to your diet, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications.